So today we are going to have unboxing of all this haul that I made. So what's inside? Okay. These are not expensive perfumes. These are affordable, but there's a lot. I bought it simply because I used it before and I like it and I want to have it again for my collection. So this one I used it before. I just bought the small one. It's for the perfume. It's called, correct my pronunciation if it's wrong. It's the how do you call that? John Lanvin. Before. It's kind of flowery, delicate smell. I don't know how to how you call it, to describe it. I just know how to smell it, if it smells good or not. It's regular smell. You can search it in the internet. What's the smell? Anyway, the reaction for the body is different for each person. So if I apply it on myself and you will apply it, it might not be the same scent. Okay, so I have that one, and this one, it's Delilah by who made this? This one is a blind buy. Okay, I think it's a blind buy. It's made in where? I cannot read that. It's too small. It's made by whoever. I don't know. By Maison Alhambra. Maison Alhambra. It's Delilah. This one, it's another Lanvin. Yeah, I'm a fan. I have few of them. I have the arpege and the arpege. I have that one. This one I haven't used, so this is a blind buy also for me. This one, I used it before. It's also Lanvin. Pure to Rose. It's fresh and floral. I like it a lot. This is for spring and summer. It's good. So I have used that. And then this one is from another Lanvin. It's kind of spicy a little bit, kind of cinnamony. It's so but I like it. I think this is unisex. So another one which I've also used that before. That's a part of my collection. This one is a tester. How do you say that? Fleur de Lanvin. I hope I said it right. I don't know how to say it correctly. This is a tester. It's cheaper than the regular because of the box. The inside is still frozen. So this one is also a blind buy. So it says it's unisex, but I think this is good for fall and winter because it's kind of cold. So these are all the stuff that I bought. Okay, I ordered it online. So okay, this one, so it's 8, I guess it's 8. So this one here, this one, these are all blind buys. Those and these three I already tried before. So luckily all my blind buys smells good. I'm trying to use so I like perfumes. I don't care if it's expensive, it's cheap as long as it smells good and it's not good. So thanks guys. So these are all the perfumes. It's delicious smelling. So don't forget to subscribe in Delicious channel where we do anything in between our delicious food, delicious smell, delicious whatever, and our travels and everything in between. And the doggy that passed by. Don't forget to subscribe guys. And next time we might do a smelling thing. All right, now we're going to try this one. How it smells. This one is La Fleur de Lanvin. So we spray it here. My daughter said it's kind of old. No, that's on the first spray. But later it's gonna be like floral and sweet and nice and not old. It develops. But I think you just need to put a little bit. It's kind of strong. But it smells really good. It's for a girl who likes a bouquet of flowers. It's sweet. It's not fruity. It's really floral. If you really like flowers, this is good for you. But it's not gonna give you a headache if you put just a little bit. So for those who likes floral perfume, this is good for you guys. My blind buy is good. I like it.